Hi there, students. Devious, an adjective. Deviously, the adverb. Deviousness, the noun of the quality. Okay, if you call somebody devious, you think that they're dishonest, that they do things in a complicated way that's not totally open and honest. So if you call somebody devious, you're calling them scheming and sly, and they play tricks. He used a very devious plan to get what he wanted. Yeah, he used devious methods. So if you use this devious, you're saying that it's dishonest, but it's also quite clever, quite smart, quite intelligent. Let's see. In business, if you're going to be really successful, you need to be devious. So notice here, this is not necessarily saying dishonest, yeah, as in against the law, but it's not playing by the rules. Yeah, it's using underhand tactics, yeah, to achieve your goals. It's being maybe a little bit dishonorable, yeah, unethical. Dubious means, devious means. So it can go both ways. It's either something that's just downright dishonest, or something that's really very, very tricky and maybe not fair, but not technically illegal. Yeah, so somebody who is devious is tricky and cunning and calculating and scheming. Yeah, but they're very intelligent, and normally a devious trick works very well. Yeah, it's something that's not straightforward and obvious. You can also use devious, I suppose, by going in a roundabout way from A to B, not taking the direct route from A to B, the straight line, but going around the houses to get there. That's maybe that's more physical, but if you use a devious plan, you just say, give me your money, people say no. So you need to be rather devious and find some way round their objections. Devious, shifty. He's a very devious character. He always tries to achieve his aims using devious means. Yeah, it's not the correct way. It's not the way that everybody considers the honest moral way. So he deviously got her to go out with him by saying that he wanted to discuss the possibility of finding a job for her. So a devious route, devious means. Yeah, not the accepted way, not the proper way, not totally honest. So his deviousness is one of the things I don't like about him. I prefer people who are frank and open. Yeah, not people who are a bit treacherous, dishonest, and tricky. But then very often, if you ask a direct question, people will lie to you, or they won't tell you what you need. So you need to be a bit devious, not straightforward. You need to be a bit tricky. So devious, treacherous, and deceitful. Trying to get things by tricking people, or by using a method where it's not clear to them what your objective is. Let's see, I think devious, this is related to the verb to deviate, to go away from the accepted course. But if you call somebody devious, you don't like them, you're not being very nice, you don't think they're a good person. Let's see. Formality, devious. 5 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. From Latin, devious, meaning out of the way, off the main road. De, off, and via, road. Yeah, so you're off road. Yeah, you're effectively going off road to obtain your objectives. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Devious.